Welcome friends, welcome back to Divine Designs. We're going to be doing something a little different today. I haven't done one of these in a long time and I love doing these. And this is doing a picture on here with resin. So what I do is I take the back off of here. And we take the glass out. You have to make sure when you do these that these are glass. You don't want to use the plastic film ones. And I went over to the dollar store and I found these were actually, they're wallpaper. So what I wanted to do is find a design that I wanted to trace out that would be a good spot. So let's see what we can do here. I think I like this spot right here. So I will trace this out. So these cost $1.25 or $1.50. I'm sorry, they're not $1.25 anymore. So these are $1.50 for these, and I can get probably 3 or so out of this. So and then I just cut this out. This is where I get my craftiness in with my resin. Because I do love to just throw some craftiness in here. Okay. So cut this bottom off here. And then peel this off. And this is really sticky, and you have one chance at this. So I usually start at the bottom, get that straight, and you can usually do pretty good. There we go. Now I'll take a popsicle stick and just run it up, make sure there's no air bubbles. Now we pop this back in here. Put the back on it. Put these little tabs back in. And put it back there. Then I take, well, I don't have much left either. I take my clear glue, which I'm going to have to get some more, and I seal this. So I go all the way around this because you will not see the resin on top of this. So I seal it, and then I'll tape the back of it. So I'll let this sit overnight, let it dry completely, and then we're going to come back and decorate this up and put some resin on it. I'm trying to decide if I think it would be all right. Because I'm just going to do a very thin layer of resin. I have to decide. I don't know if I want to put Modge Podge on it and let that sit. I'll have to think about it. I may. Because I don't want the resin to peel this up, but I don't know if it will or not. I might take a little piece and sample it and see. My goodness, my paper doesn't want to stay still. All right. So we will be back for the resin. Be right back. All right, we're back for the next step. Let me get my gloves back on. And let's get this. Okay. So I did put some Modge Podge down. So this is a Modge Podge I use. I just put, like, I was just so worried that it was going to mess up the backing. So just a precautionary. I did tape the back of this. So that way, just in case a little extra leaks out, it's not going to go anywhere. And I do have my resin made up. I don't need much. Just enough to cover the bottom. So we're just going to move this all around. I did put a little bit of glitter in it just because we have to have a little sparkly. So we're just going to move this to the edges because it will self-level. But I'm just going to help it along. This is going to be pretty. I was looking for just something spring. I wanted to do something springy. And this looked like spring. I know here in Florida, I live in Florida, we don't get a spring. But I did grow up in Michigan and Ohio. So I do know how you get that cabin fever. Waiting for that spring to come along. Okay, I'm gonna make this just a little bit thicker because I don't want any cat eyes. Where you get that pulling. I want this all covered. Okay, that looks good. That looks really good. So we're going to leave this sit now for a little bit. I'll put that in something. Oh, that is going to be so pretty. So we'll leave this sit. And then we're going to decorate it up. And we're going to put, we're going to sparkle it up. I'll make these, get these bubbles out away from the edges. And this is going to be so beautiful. Okay, we will be right back for the next step. Okay, this is all set. We can start putting the gems on. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so pretty. Okay, so all I'm going to use is some clear Elmer's glue. And I just put a dot there. And pick the gem up and put it down. And all you're going to see is just the sparkles of it. This will, the Elmer's glue will dry clear. So we're just going to put a drop, and a gem. Drop. This is going to take me some time to do this, but I wanted to show you what I was doing. And I'm putting like little white centers in all the little flowers because they'll sparkle. And then I'm going to outline the butterfly. And it'll be so beautiful. So I can put you on fast forward while I'm doing this, but you will be able to see what I'm doing. Because all I have to do is just put drops on, and I might do it this way because I'm getting air bubbles. I don't want air bubbles. And you can do it like this also. So you have a little more control on your dots. See, I just want to put a little dot there. And then put a gem. So I'll put you on fast forward. And you can enjoy the I've got it all done. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to let this dry all the way. And then take it all apart. And I'll take some pictures of it. I am so excited. This is so pretty. I hope you can see how pretty this is. And I'm taking some of the paper off the back of it, but that doesn't matter. I'll take that off the back. And then it will stand just like that on a table. Isn't that so cute? Look there, just a cheap frame from Dollar Tree. The wallpaper, I got it in the wallpaper section. Got that at Dollar Tree. So this was $1.50. The wallpaper was $1.50. I put a thin layer of resin in there and then just put some sparkly gems. And there we have a beautiful spring picture. That is so, so cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. I hope you guys can really see this without the ring light. And how beautiful that is. Well, I want to thank you guys for coming. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up if you like this content. And make sure you leave me a message on what you think of this. I think it turned out so, so cute. I love it. Okay, subscribe to my channel. You'll get more of these. And we will see you next time. Bye now.